everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I am going to be sharing with you my thoughts and opinions on the brand new Dyson Corrale. I finally got my hands on it. It was recently my birthday and this was my birthday gift to me / my fiance. So yeah, very excited. Oh, there she goes, to try this out. Now, I have wanted to pick this up for quite some time. When it went to Sephora in Australia, I was waiting for the 20% off sales, thinking it was going to be part of that sale, and it just never happened. So then I thought, well, I'll wait till my birthday month because I get double points in my birthday month when I purchase anything from Sephora. So that's what I did, and here she is. Now, I haven't properly used it yet. My hair was curly the other day, and so I did a quick curl with it, wanting to know if it, you know, curled like the GHD does. And it does do that, so that's great. But yeah, I haven't actually properly used it. So right now my hair, even though it looks straight, is literally just blow dried. I haven't even put a brush through it. So definitely gonna put this to the test today and see how it works. So if this sounds like a video you guys might be interested in, then please keep on watching. So this is an item that I have been wanting for quite some time. As you guys know, I have the Dyson Airwrap and I absolutely love the Dyson Airwrap. I also have the Dyson hairdryer as well. So I'm a very big fan of Dyson, especially when it comes to their hair products. I like their vacuums, but I really like their hair products as well. So when this first came to the market, I was very intrigued. The price point is not a fun time. Over here in Australia it is $699, so it is quite expensive. I was holding out because it did go to Sephora and I was thinking that it was going to be part of the 20% off sales that Sephora do on the occasion, but on two occasions now it was exempt from both sales. So I ended up waiting till my birthday month, which is this month. So my birthday is the 2nd of September. And I thought I'll wait till then because I know that I will get 2 times the points when I shop at Sephora for my birthday month. So that's what I did, and I feel like it was still worthwhile. Well, I hope it was still worthwhile. We'll see. But yeah, so I guess this was like a birthday present to me, even though technically my fiance paid for it, and you know, however which way you want to view that is fine. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and actually put this to the test. Now, I know that my hair is looking quite straight at the moment, but I have literally just washed it. All I did was put the Dyson hairdryer to it. I haven't brushed it, I haven't done anything else. So underneath it is actually still fairly wavy. So what I'm going to do is just do this one side here so we can see the comparison, see how it works, and I'll give you guys my thoughts. So I think I'm just going to part it down the middle and then just do each side, but for the sake of the video I'm just going to do it on this side, I think, and we'll see how we go. So pretty. So I'm not gonna lie, this is a very expensive straightener, because that's essentially what it is. I do just want to show you that there are 2 ways that you can actually use this product. So it does come, it does come with this stand. So the stand does have a little magnetic charger at the back here that you can connect it to, and then you literally just pop the Corrale on there. So I'll just show you as an example, like that, and she just sits like there and charges away. So I do really like the holder aesthetically as well. I like how it can be displayed on a desk or something like that. I think that's quite nice. Now, the second option that you can do is that if you do indeed want it connected while you are straightening your hair, you would have just heard it beep, you can actually connect it that way and use it like a traditional straightener. But obviously one of the massive advantages of this product is the fact that it is the first proper wireless straightener on the market. So I think that's pretty incredible, and the technology in this is quite incredible as well. So the idea is just like all the other Dyson products, it is designed to basically do less damage to your hair. So I mean, I'm always going to be about that. Now, to open it up, you just push this little button up like that and she releases, and then we're just going to turn her on. So we're just going to push that button there No. Why aren't you turning on? Hang on. Here we go. There it goes. And so now you just select which setting you want. So you've got the up button, the down button, and so we're just gonna pop this up to, why is this not, what is going on here? Sorry guys, it's not turning on properly. Here we go, better. Now, I do just want to put this up, as you can see now it's on. So we're just going to put this up to the highest setting, which is 210 degrees. You do have an option for 185 and all the way down to 165. And I'm just going to show you, I hope this focuses properly. Come on. It's showing you now that it's slowly getting up to the desired heat. So it will make a little noise to let you know once it's there. You can see now that it's slowly going up the little dial to show you that, which I think is kind of cool as well. There we go, she's now ready. So she's now at 210 degrees. As you can see, that went really, really quickly. So let's just see how we go. I'm just going to take a section now, and here we go. Now obviously my hair is really, really long, so I'll move back a little bit just so you guys can actually see. I love it when my hair wants to cooperate. Okay, so that was the first little piece. So I'm going to go over it once more. I mean, it looks really sleek. I'm fairly impressed. That was quite effortless and painless. My hair always gets so, like, not curly, but like wavy. It always has like such a distinct wave. The layer, like the bottom layer, I don't know why, but it's just always been that way. Okay, so there we are. There is the first little strip. Yeah, I mean, you know, it straightens. It's convenient that I am not hooked up in any way by a cord. I do like that. Let's just go ahead and do the rest of this side of the hair, and I'll let you know what I think very soon. So side-by-side comparison. This is of course the Dyson side. This took me less than 5 minutes and it feels so good. It actually feels incredibly, incredibly healthy. I'm very, very happy, and I wanted to be very, very happy for the amount of money that I was spending, to be honest. So a couple of thoughts on this one. I will tell you the weight of this. It took me by surprise when I first held it. This is actually quite heavy. It is definitely heavier than, say, your average straightener. That is absolutely for sure. But when you go ahead and you start using it, you don't really notice the weight, at least in my case anyway. I didn't notice it. Having a look at the actual plates, so they are copper plates, and they are designed, literally the design of this is to do as little damage to your hair as possible. Now I realistically probably should have shown you this before when it wasn't on, because if I touch it now I'm obviously going to burn myself, but these plates here actually have a flex technology. And the idea is that they actually flex with your hair, which again creates less damage and you know, less damage to the hair, and it creates basically a one swipe moment, and that's how you're gonna sort of achieve this sort of finish in literally under 5 minutes. So that I really did enjoy. The other thing, as I said earlier, when I very first got this, I charged it just to make sure, of course, it was working, and my hair was curly, and I wanted to see if it did, like, you know, the GHD curl, and it absolutely does. And I think if anything, it does it better, and that's honestly due to these flexing plates. Because when you actually have your hair up, so when you've got your hair in that moment where you're doing that curl and you're actually twisting the straightener, it literally, the hair itself will move with the plates, as opposed to with the GHD, it sort of almost has that kink effect, whereas this I find just gives you a far smoother curl. So I also enjoyed that element of it as well. Do I think it's worth the money? That's obviously the ultimate question. Look, honestly, it's no. I don't necessarily think that it is worth the $700 price tag, to be perfectly honest with you. I thoroughly enjoy the mobility of it. I like the fact that it is wireless. I think that's really unique. I think it's very clever. I enjoy the technology in it, of course, as well. But again, at the end of the day, you have to look at the overall cost, and it is very expensive. If you're going to buy it anywhere, I would recommend buying it from Sephora. The reason for that is that if you are a Sephora member, typically I'm a gold member, and I have been a gold member for a very long time. So forgive me, I don't know what the other tiers offer, but I know in my case, if I donate 300 of my points, I will get 10% off my order. So they do allow you to do that with this item. So at least you can save, you know, $70 if you look at it like that. It gives you a little bit of money back, because everywhere else I'm fairly confident the pricing is fairly fixed. So yeah, guys, what can I tell you? It works. I enjoy it. I like how easy it is to use. I enjoy the fact that it does the job very quickly and very well. The only sort of real downside for me on this one is probably the weight and, of course, the price point. I think it is just a little bit too much, in my humble opinion. But yeah, that's everything for this video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, if you're interested, I obviously did do the Dyson Airwrap review, and if you haven't seen that, I'll link that up top or down below for you to check out now. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Mwah! Thanks, guys.